Happy New Year. Yeah, that's right. It's January 1, 2011, and I hope everybody had a great holidays. Uh, I'm hoping for everyone that the new year will bring you prosperity. It's been a difficult year for many people, and it's not going to be a quick recovery, but hopefully everybody will have a good health and an opportunity to have a better life. I want to share with you something that came to my attention during the holidays, uh, and actually really started. I heard first more about it in November of last year, uh, about the fact that 1 in 4 people have their identity stolen. Apparently, this is becoming an epidemic in the U.S., and not only is it costing billions of dollars to credit card companies, but it also impacts families who really can't afford to lose any money, let alone have somebody steal their identity and use it for either criminal situation, uh, having a driver's license in your name, having Social Security, going applying for a job in your name, uh, as well as committing having a traffic accident or a traffic ticket that they never show up for, so there's a warrant out for your arrest. None of us really know that's going on until it really hits us, and you may know someone who's been subject to identity theft. But the biggest problem with identity theft is generally when you have someone steals your credit card, the credit card company stands behind the money. When they take it out of your bank account, unfortunately, that doesn't come back to you because that's not insured. Um, but when someone steals your identity and starts using it for other purposes, then your biggest problem is having someone, generally a lawyer, to help you resolve your identity, restore your identity, I should say. So I found it very, very desirable to enroll in prepaid legal program for my family because it also provided with me for not only identity monitoring, but it also provided for me identity restoration. Should someone ever steal my identity and commit a crime or cause an accident, I have a lawyer standing by to take care of that problem for me. I don't have to do a thing. My monthly fee covers that service for me. But also, prepaid legal does more for me. It puts me in a position to have attorneys available to ask questions for, to write letters to creditors or to people who mistreat me in a way that wasn't fair, whether it's an auto repair bill that wasn't right, or I try to return merchandise and I wasn't treated correctly. I find that having a letter from an attorney that has 50 names, 50 lawyers on their letterhead goes a long way to get resolution. Now, most people wouldn't think about going to an attorney for a $40 claim because it costs you $200 or $300 for the attorney to represent you. But think about if you're only spending less than $1.19 a day and you had access to attorney 24/7 that you knew was available for you where you're involved in an automobile accident, had a ticket, out of state ticket, and you wanted an attorney to go there to represent you so you're not traveling back there. I mean, the amount of things that can happen in our lives are not numerous. They claim that they're more likely 100 times, we're more likely to be 100 times more involved in a legal issue than we are to go to a hospital. That alone is important enough for us to think about protecting our family. So if you're interested in learning why I joined Prepaid Legal and what the benefits are for it, check my website, RaleighRawlessRecommends.com, and there is a link there to an article on prepaid legal and a way for you to listen to a presentation that would give you some further insight into the program. All I can do is recommend you listening learn for yourself, and see if it's something you want to do for your family. Anyway, I'm signing off at this time with a wish for you for prosperity and a great new year. Goodbye for now.